Greetings, underclassmen. Here are a few hints and tips on how to use the course registration book. First of all, I am in my group resources. I'm in the freshman class, but the exact same folder exists in the sophomore class and in the junior class. I'm looking inside the folder called Course Registration for Next Year, and I want to introduce all of you to the registration booklet. This booklet is over 30 pages long, and it has every single course that we offer and a description of that course and who can take the course and what you have to take before you take the course. But I wanted you to know just a little bit about how to get around. Please notice that there are just a few changes still coming. This is our "We Don't Discriminate" clause. Here's the table of contents. Notice each one of these is a hot link, so you can quickly jump to a section. For instance, I might want to jump to science. So I click on science courses and click on the link, and it takes me down to each science course. These are listed in sometimes alphabetical order, sometimes they're in order of what you have to take them. Every single course in the course booklet you will see will have a like a prereq. It'll tell you what you have to do before, or if you have to take this class. For instance, here's just an example: chemistry. I got to be at least a 10th grader. I have to have finished algebra, and I need a C or better in algebra in order to be successful in chemistry. Now I can keep going down and I can read each one. I have two in the science department. I want to have you notice, whoa, they're yellow. You will find 4 courses in the booklet that are yellow, and that's because they are brand new for this year. One of them is called Earth's Wonders of the World, and it is for 10th through 12th graders. As long as you have passed your freshman science class, you may take this. There's also another one called Conservation Science. We have a lot of students in high school that are interested in the environment. They're interested in working outdoors. They're interested in working in the ag world and working with our earth and working with DNR type people. This is a course for you. Just saying. And anyone interested in conservation science. So when I get done looking at my science courses, you will notice that at the top of each page, there's a back to top. So I don't have to scroll. I can just click on it and then click back to the bookmark, which is wonderful. Let's go take a peek at the English courses. Here's the English courses. We're going to run into a yellow one under here. Novels and film. Anybody can take this. You don't have to even be an upperclassman. Elective is this elective students analyze stories in different mediums, included but not limited to print, novels, and film. I'll let you read the rest of the description. That one is purely an elective, just for fun. And let's go find the one other new course. Adulting 101. Juniors and seniors, this is for you. This is for all those real things in life that you might not already know how to do. You can read the description yourself and decide if that's a course you'd like to get added to your list. Now let's go back to the top and just notice a few other things about how to use this booklet. So you can see all the different categories that are there. Each course has a description that comes with it. As you start reading the courses and you're like, well, I think that sounds interesting, not positive, or man, there's so many things here I want to take, now I don't know what to take. Don't forget that you've got this resource. What should I take? What should I take? Remember those career clusters I sent a while back? And you can jump to the one that matches your 4-year plan. The list on the left is the recommended electives. The list in the middle are electives that if you have time, you should also think about taking. And then if you qualify for college courses, those electives are listed on the right. And one of those sheets is here for every single one of our career clusters. Show some different ones. In the last video, I showed the ones towards the top. Here's the ones towards the bottom. Okay, one more item that you should know, going back to the top, and then I'll let you just take off and explore on your own. There are many of you who are eligible to take college courses. One more time, you have to be proficient in math, science, and reading. In IO assessments, ISASP, new name, or MAP. But you have to be in all three. State law is what it is. So if you go to Senior Year Plus, because that's what they call where the money comes from to pay for you to do college courses, reminds you all the rules of who can take these courses. You will find every course that NIAC offers that you're allowed to take listed here. It will name the course. At NIAC means it's going to be an online course or it's going to literally be at NIAC. If it has a prereq, something you have to take first, then it's listed there. And then it has a nice short description of the course. Hopefully that'll kind of help you pick some of these out. Notice there are some that the prereq, like Intro to Business at NIAC, you can't take that until you've taken Intro to Business at Hampton-Dumont. Can't take Psychology at NIAC until you've taken Psych 1 at Hampton-Dumont. You'll run into a few others like that. The EMT class and the CNA class. CNA is called Nurse Aid Theory. Need to be 16, and that will be next spring. We'll be sending out who wants to do that. Those of you that are in EMT and are underclassmen, they will repeat that course next spring, and you can take it and finish it then. Okay, even at this spot, I can go back to the top. I want you to notice one other one. See those diploma options and graduation requirements? We'll just pop down to those real quick. This is your regular diploma, things that you have to do. That's spelled out simply. Your honors diploma is on the right. Here it's spelled out a little bit more. Okay? Enjoy exploring. Check out all the courses we have at Hampton-Dumont. You would be amazed of what's available. All right, have a great day.